In this video, I'm quickly going to show you a new method to machine knit the Perfect Latchtool Bind Off. It does not pull in, it's super easy to do, and I've knit a 40-stitch swatch to prove it. Now, I'm at the point where I want to bind off. And so I'm going to do a Latchtool Bind Off. And I'm going to crank it up 2 full numbers up. And I'm going to knit that final row. Now you can do it from either the right or the left. I happen to be right-handed, so it's easier for me to go this direction, but you can do it the other way. Okay, now I'm going to pull all these needles out and drop my stopper plate over the needles. What that does is it stabilizes the needles, just like when we did the Latchtool cast on. And I'm going to push all my knitting behind the latches and take my weights off, any weights that I have on. I'm going to take those off. And I wanted to see if this is going to be perfect, and it does come out great. So here I go. I'm going to take my first stitch on this end. So I'm inserting my latch tool in the very first stitch, and I'm popping the stitch off the machine. Then I'm pushing it so that the loop of the stitch is on the other side of the latch on the latch tool, and I'm inserting it in the next one, and I'm just popping it off and pulling it through. I'm doing it slow, so basically you can see all the different actions. But ultimately, what you want to do is when you bring your needle up, you put the old stitch or the prior stitch behind the latch and pop it off at the same time and pull it through. If you practice this motion, when I take it off the end, I'm down to 1 loop on my latch tool. So I am going to cut my yarn and just simply pull it through. And that is the Perfect Latchtool Bind Off. Here's the Latchtool Bind Off. Here's the Perfect Latchtool Cast On. I can't tell the difference. Amazing. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Tune in for the whole playlist of machine knitting techniques. And please take a moment to subscribe and ring the bell for notifications of upcoming videos. Happy machine knitting!